Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Gmail experience and want to disable dynamic email in the Gmail app, you've come to the right place. Dynamic emails can be helpful for some, but for others they can clutter up your inbox, or even slow things down. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off dynamic email in the Gmail app, so you can enjoy a cleaner, more streamlined inbox. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. From the menu that slides out, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to a list of all the email accounts you have added to your Gmail app. Now tap on the email account where you want to disable dynamic email. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the right one. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Images. Tap on it, and you'll see a few options for how Gmail handles images in your emails. Here, choose Always Display External Images. This setting ensures that images in your emails will always show up automatically, making your inbox look just the way you want. Now, for the most important step, look for the option that says Enable Dynamic Email. You'll notice a checkbox next to it. Simply uncheck this box to disable dynamic email for your selected account. And that's it. You've successfully turned off dynamic email in your Gmail app. From now on, your emails will be displayed in a simpler, more traditional format, without interactive elements or dynamic content. This can help your inbox load faster and keep things less distracting. If you ever change your mind, you can always follow these same steps and re-enable dynamic email whenever you like. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Have a great day and enjoy your clutter-free Gmail experience.